There are rumors in this show about XRP $23. Is it possible? Doesn't it? We're going to break it down as much as we can. We are doing this for you because we think a lot of people want to talk about the market cap again. On the market value of XRP will never hit $20 or $30 because that would be too crazy. The market capitalization will finally change because this is a cryptocurrency stoppage. Wait until the big boys get a foothold in these markets before you try to get in. Market size is what I'm going to tell you. It looks like the price of Bitcoin is going up. Things look good on the markets. I'm not going to name the areas of interest that Bitcoin needs to keep and hold on to, which it looks like we are, and I'm also not going to say when we're going to go for that, which is also very powerful. XRP is being sold by Ripple for $74,000. The following is what is known. I'll take care of you. Greg Kidd will talk to us if he has time. Without further ado, sit back and enjoy this amazing show. Here it is, Bitcoin 66243. In the last 24 hours, it has gone up by 5.61%. Ethereum reached $2,999. It's gone up 3.05% in the past day for USDT and USDC. All of these are at their highest price levels. Yes, the value of Bitcoin and XRP can change by up to AM 51 cents. 1 penny plus 2 pennies is what it will be. You have to love it. Just so you know, the total value of all cryptocurrencies on the market is $2 trillion, which is $412 billion or 3.41% per day. The all-time high for the 2020-2021 bull market season was $2.7 trillion. I like what I'm seeing happen. Let's move on. Bitcoin 66K looks like it's in great shape. When I sent the tweet, the market was doing pretty well. Remember the lesson from the video yesterday? This could have been the start of Bitcoin's next rise. People might buy green instead of red. I'll tell you what, there are people on Earth right now. What did those people do after seeing the market start to change? Not a mindset, is it? We need to get those thoughts out of our heads. We need to rid ourselves of those thoughts. We don't buy red, even though we should. In the US, buying red should make us happy, not scared. That's why we should buy red on days like today when these coins are ripping me off. Look at the price you pay for Solana for the past 24 hours, which is 133% of the time. 4 bad weeks in a row have happened to you in the last 3 weeks. All is well with you. Since you just finished 12%, that's what we should do next. But everyone wants to buy because they are worried about their mental health when they start working. When everything is green, of course, doesn't this work just like this? That's the message I send. Okay, yesterday was really strong. This seems like a case that could happen and make sense. And the point of their honest speech was to get rid of their bias, taking everything into account. He said that the 62,000 to 63,000 areas are very important if we don't want that last drop into the 59,000 to 60,000 areas. It's important to remember that this is his small chart. We will fall again if we can't keep 62,000 to 63,000. The 6066 spot has a push-up, as you can see. We need to hold between 62,000 and 63,000 to stop the drop. Without a doubt, you're interested in how we've set up the chairs. When do we need to stay at 66? In this case, weekly closes are always the best to use, but monthly closes are always fine too. Let's do one like that every week. Assuming they're even correct, positive signs. There is some bad language in there, but we've already talked about that, so let's give it another chance. We won't hold on to it just because of this. We need to now watch how this plays out. Let's see what happens once a week before we move on to once a month. I am aware that there are still 2 weeks to go. We know for sure that Bitcoin sending will start up again in less than 2 weeks. I'll keep going forward. It's exciting, and June will be great. This looks great. It looks pretty nice. We should try to get XRP back up to 56 or 3.51, and then we can talk about the 60 levels. And the magic number 75 cents is what we need to get XRP. It's only natural for Bitcoin buyers to have high hopes. 1TR has seen more people buying calls, with as many as 120,000 calls for December 2024. I already told you that Bitcoin will be worth more than $100,000, and I will keep telling you that. To take the edge off, we want to go after the $74,000 areas. The value of all cryptocurrencies on the market should at least double by the end of the year. As the year comes to a close, everything will be ready for an amazing fireworks show in Q3 and Q4, as well as something even more exciting for the following year. I know that it will be 2019 in 6 months. The adults will really take off after that, though, and we'll start to see a big drop. From now on, I can get my wins from tops to outs. Don't look anywhere else if you want to get all of your news and information from a trusted source in one place. What about Spiral? Do they sell XRP? Well, yes, we are very aware of it. How much XRP people sell on the market changes the price of it. They say it doesn't because of how they sell it, but I don't agree, and here's why. When 2 million XRP are put on the market by Ripple, XRP is at 50 right now, and order books are beginning to shrink. That would have to be bought 2 million times to get it down to, say, 49 cents. The first thing that mattered was where our market was. However, the price would have gone up if Ripple had never sold XRP when it was at 50C and the 2 million buy orders came in. This means that it would have had a 100% effect. What's going on with the markets? Does it make a big difference in the price that I don't know about it? You need to really look at the noise. It does make a difference, but you'll have to look at the order books to see how much they really sell. Without a doubt, it has a big effect on how well it works, which brings us to our question. Okay, I'll put this down. Some people seem happy about it, but let me explain. I have no idea why. Personally, I've been collecting extra parts since 2017. And I've never made any money from it. You should have hope in 2025. I'm for sale. I'm listening to all of my XRP. This needs to be sent into space. Don't worry, I'll do it behind the counter so it won't change the order book. But I'm going to throw everything away. So why am I throwing everything away? Do you not believe in XRP? People like Rip. It doesn't scare me. I do, but we all know what happens when these coins get to the top. Their tops blow off. We want to sell as soon as possible. Our goal is to sell as many as possible. I'll do the same thing to you, so come back in. I know that XRP goes up to $3. I am golden XRP. Does anything after 5 Rook becomes a full-time streamer for his favorite game, Call of Duty, and he never goes to a 5 or 8 to 5 job again? Why are you sitting down? I didn't make money during 2 bull markets, but I could have reinvested at a cheaper price and grown my holdings by 5, 6, 7, or 8 times. We should all be making progress right now. That's what we should all be doing. Zach Rake, please tell other people about this. The theory says that for XRP to be worth $23, the Bitcoin market must be worth $1.3 trillion. That's fine, but does anyone else find that offensive? It would be great to talk about it with you. The market we are looking at is worth $5 to $7 trillion. Bitcoin will be worth twice as much by the end of 2012. $2.6 trillion, which makes sense if you know how to do math. This means that we have about $4.4 trillion to give from their AUM. When their AUM hits $10,000, they'll need $1 trillion. They are leaving $3.6 trillion behind. Grab it while you still can, says BNB. It is not possible to get $1 trillion. Value of the market, I think XRP will go up. BNB Selena has a 100% chance of getting $1 trillion this time. I understand that we need a huge amount to drop right away. A 51 cent or 52 cent XRP is on our mind, but it hasn't changed yet. It hasn't moved at all since 2017. In fact, there was a small problem in 2020 or 2021. We got to 190 when the SEC took a tough stand against us. After that, we went back down to 17 cents, and we haven't been that high since 2017. 2018, people, this has been getting worse and going in the wrong direction for a while. There is no question that a huge explosive move up is coming, but where will it all start? First, let's finish up this year. We can get even closer to the dollar at $75, so get ready for a big drop. There will be a move on XRP that you've never seen before, as well as a steep top in 2025.